the purpose of the committee coming is primarily because we have sought many villages to be dropped. They have identified 108 villages in Goa to be declared as eco-sensitive areas. We have demanded that many of the 108 villages should be dropped because according to us they do not meet the criteria that has been spelled out by the ESA. So we suggested, and I'm happy because they agreed, that they should visit Goa, do ground truthing, and then we will sit together and take a final call. So today they are moving around Goa, doing ground truthing, and we expect to meet again tomorrow, where we will sit across the table. We will push our case, and we will hear what is their opinion, and then at the end of the day, it is Government of India that will take a call.
How many villages do you want to drop from the entire list?
We would like to drop as many as we can. So let us wait and watch. No?
There are also apprehensions that if you are in that list, the villages might have to evacuate.
There is nothing like that. There is nothing like that. And I would request all of you, responsible representatives of the media, to highlight that there is the declaration of an eco-sensitive area does not mean that even a single person will be made to vacate the area. No, nothing like that. This is a very categorical statement and an assurance I'm giving the people.
So why there is an apprehension that it should be dropped?
I think apprehension comes from the fact that there are so many people who, without knowing much, are talking on the subject, and that is why there's sort of an anxiety in the minds of the locals. But if you ask me, yes, there are certain restrictions. Other than that, there isn't any major issue.
What are these restrictions like?
For example, mining. If there's mining that has been approved in those areas, it has to, what do I say?
Will not be allowed.
No. You have to phase out within a period of 5 years. Fresh mining may not be allowed. Now we have raised certain issues, like for example, you see, the Chief Minister was very clear in his mind that we depend on minor minerals from many of those areas, like you see laterite stone, your basalt and all that. And we've also highlighted the fact that today, you see, some years back you will recall that Goa was dependent on Karnataka for sand. And then suddenly the Karnataka government declared a ban on sand being exported to Goa. So if mining of minor minerals, etc. is stopped, we would have to be at the mercy of Maharashtra, or we would have to be at the mercy of the neighboring states, which we don't want such a situation. We definitely would like to avoid such a situation. So we have highlighted these issues before the committee, and I'm sure they will look into it and they will take final call.
So is there a number that you mentioned regarding the villages that they would like to be dropped?
No. We have asked them to drop as much as possible, and that is why they've come for this ground truthing.
What is the next course of action, sir?
What is the next course of action? We will sit across the table and we will talk to them.
Right.
And Chief Minister, if required, Chief Minister will lead another delegation to meet the minister in the Union Minister in Delhi.
So are you meeting them tomorrow? Will you have some discussion with them after
I would believe
visit?
after their ground visit we would meet. But if you ask me time and date, I'm not sure.
No. But have you recommended dropping of 21 villages?
We have identified 21 villages which we feel are clear cut.
तुम्ही पळतात GNH.